Hey everyone! Back with another round of KZ in-ear monitor picks. I spent more time researching these, so let's break down the ones worth checking out in 2025. Quick heads up, all product links will be in the description if you want to compare or check prices. Let's jump in. 1. KZ-AS10 Earbuds, Pure 5. So, starting off with the KZ-AS10 Earbuds, Pure 5. If you want something that stands out, the AS10 brings one of the most creative designs I've seen, with colors like black, green, silver black, and silver blue. Sound-wise, the AS10 offers an outstanding signature for music and gaming. But if your priority is calls or meetings, remember, the KZ-AS10 doesn't come with a microphone. These are for pure listening. You get really great audio, but they aren't going to beat wireless buds for hands-free stuff. 2. KZ-ZSX in-ear monitor. Next, the KZ-ZSX in-ear monitor. This model is all about solid performance. It has a sensitivity of 24 ohms and 111 dB, so you'll get plenty of punch and clarity. One thing about the ZSX, though, is that it can be a bit uncomfortable for long sessions, though that often fades as you get used to it. The design of the KZ-ZSX is super accessible and streamlined, a great starter option if you want quality on a budget and aren't worried about all the bells and whistles. 3. KZ-AS24 IEM. Moving up, let's talk about the KZ-AS24 IEM. It's packed with 12 balanced armature drivers per side, which means you'll get everything from deep, elastic lows to sweet vocals and crisp extended highs. The sound out of the KZ-AS24 is seriously rich and detailed. Perfect if you want to hear every part of your music, from bass to ultra-high notes. Quick heads up for loyal viewers. I know some of you caught my last KZ video, and loads of people asked about the last two models. The truth is, the KZ-ZS7 and KZ-AS16 were at the end last time, so here's a quick recap to make sure nobody misses them. 4. KZ-ZS7. Now, the KZ-ZS7. Standout build here, it's got 4 balanced armature drivers, 1 dynamic driver, and the whole thing is wrapped in a super sturdy all-metal shell. The KZ-ZS7 is for anyone craving something tough and premium in their collection. KZ usually uses plastic for their earphones, so the ZS7 feels like a special step up in terms of durability and feel. 5. KZ-AS16. Last up, the KZ-AS16. This is the most technically advanced earphone in the KZ lineup, loaded with balanced armature drivers. The KZ-AS16 goes big on specs, but honestly, it's not the single best-sounding model in the family. It's a bit chunkier than others too, because of all those drivers packed inside. If you want cutting-edge tech, it's a solid choice. But for daily listening ease, consider some of the other KZ options. And that's my real take on 5 different KZ models. Everybody's ears are different, so try what works for you. And if you want specs, prices, colors, or to check any product for yourself, all the links are right in the description. Let me know your thoughts or experiences with KZ in the comments. Drop a like if this helped, and I'll catch you in the next review.